Hi everyone. So today I will teach you how to start with DataDog. Okay. So DataDog is a application performance management tools, monitoring tools. There we can monitor end-to-end infrastructures, applications, then end user level, just like user experience management, end user performance, all those things. So today I'm gonna start with DataDog, and so let me share my screen. You can start from there. So you can see I've created a Datadog trial account, and once it is created, they're asking me what you're trying to do. Okay, so they're asking me, uh, tell us which service you want to do use. So I'm not adding anything. So how many server do you does your organization manage? So just I'm adding just as a trial 300. Okay, are you managed service provider, or hosting provider? No. What is your first goal with Datadog? So just click learning, and I'm doing POC, proof of concept. Then I'm going with next. So once I'll go to next, they're asking me first to install first Datadog agents. Okay, so I'm trying to install. What I can do is I'll spin up two VMs. Okay, one yeah, two VMs on AWS side. On top of AWS, I spin up two VMs, and one I'll use Windows. That is my local desktop. So let me spin up two VMs. So AWS Management Console. Let me log in. So meanwhile, I'm gonna stop sharing. Let me log in first. So now my screen is visible for you. So I need to go to EC2 instances, instance running. So we don't have any running instance. So in that section also you will learn how to spin up a VM on AWS account. Okay. So I'll create a launch instance here. We'll take of consider as a free tier. Yeah, you can take anything. I'm taking one is, so we'll go to Datadog account. I'm installing on Ubuntu first. Okay, so let's go and Redhat and Redhat. CentOS and Redhat we have a same command. So Redhat I'm taking one. So the 52 dot micro only. And next add nothing. So 10 GB I think enough. I don't record any key values. So here I'm giving all traffic. Okay, so you should not have any from anywhere show like a firewall issue and all. So now I'm launching instance. The required existing key pair. So I don't have any key. So let me create a new key. Okay, so let me check whether I do have active gate one. So let me check download section. We have any active gate one? Active gate one. I think we do not have. So let me create one key pair. Key pair name is DT. You can DataDog. So let me download a key pair and I need to launch the instance. So instance has been launched. Okay. So for naming, I'm giving here Redhat. So Redhat 8, right? Okay. So save it. So let me go to that. Meanwhile, I'll log into that portal itself is called. To log into the server, either you can log in with POTI, yeah, you can log in with Mova Extreme. I'm not using much for POTI. Just I'll go with Mova Extreme. Workshop is easy for to uploading and downloading the files on the source. Okay, so remote host. Okay, so this is our public IP address. Okay, so Control V, username just for if it is a EC2 is a Redhat, then username will be EC2 hyphen user. Okay, here we can upload that private key that we have downloaded, the key pair. So I will go here, then I will go to the download section. So dd.pem file I can open and okay. Once it is done, we can connect to Redhat machine. Okay. Just wait for a few seconds. Meanwhile, we can check the commands for DataDog. So I'm going with the Redhat, right? So this is the okay. Controller. No, no, it's loaded. Okay. So I should become a root user. And the command is sudo hyphen issue. Let me install install wget as well. Install some wget commands. Okay. So this is also done. Now what they're installing on center and DDoS. Okay. So use your easy one step install. Okay. So just you copy this. So you don't have option to copy to clipboard. Just you can copy to here. Okay. This will install the yum package for the Datadog agent and prompt you to for your password. Okay. So let me put it over here. Run it. Okay. So downloading the package. Very simple. Okay. Okay. So now, so you can do what you can do is let me put it in up. You can systemctl start Datadog agents. So systemctl start Datadog hyphen agent. Okay. You can check the status. Yes, running. So let's go to the Datadog portal. And you are finished. Datadog agent reporting. So congrats. So here. So it is a one way, I guess. So like one steps. Okay. Now, if I'll go to infrastructures and we have go to infrastructure as a list over here, you can able to see my reporting host. One second. No matching host, infrastructure list. With instance ID. No, cloud name. Oh, one host up and one total. Why it is not showing? Set up the agent, configure AWS and another cloud integration. Let me infrastructure list. I could see one second. Control C. the agent has been installed on there. Okay, so where we can go and check under the host maps, right? If I'll go to the host map, why it is showing no. I'll go to infrastructure list. No, so it is taking time to reflect over here. Okay, so now if I'll go to the host, you can see here. Okay, so this host consuming CPU, process memory, loads, memory background, available swap, disk uses, network traffic, and disk latency. Okay, so very straight, simple to install the agents, DataDog agents. Very straightforward, just a one-line command. Let me spin up one more VM, so you'll get a more idea. So let me spin up one more VM. It's called Ubuntu. Okay, so launch instance. I'm taking Ubuntu. So Ubuntu 18.2 is taking 04. I'm taking free tier only. So add a storage, nothing required. The 8 GB is enough. I'm not, nothing is running. So just I'm taking all traffic because sometimes it feels so firewall issue. This is my official laptop. So we're taking the key pair is called DD into the existing pair, launch the instance. Okay. So we have here. So we have this is our Ubuntu OS. Okay. Now once meanwhile I can log into the server. Again I need to go to session, SSH, remote host, go to the portal, go to this here, copy this public IP, go here, paste it. Now for Ubuntu host username will be Ubuntu only. Advanced SSH, use private key. You can use the same private key. Okay? So delete all it. Now let's connect to the server. So here it's getting connected. So Ubuntu is connected. Should become a root user. S should have been show. Now how to install? Now you want to install. I need to go here. Infrastructure list. New stuff, watchdog, the host name, same thing. Yeah. Now now do we have one host? One was created as create a monitor. Where I need to go to install another agents. So we'll go to infrastructure list. I'm not going to upgrade now. Create a JSON API link. What is that? Oh, this is very big. I don't want to do that. So agents, basic agents. Now we are trying to install which one? Ubuntu. Ubuntu. One second. This is not proper way. Let me find where we can install the proper way. This is how to install more agents. We don't have option. Integration agents. Yeah. Go to agents. Agent now we are trying to Ubuntu. So Ubuntu, to install the Ubuntu, first copy this command. Paste it. Run it. That's it. So it's very straightforward to install that Datadog agents. Okay. Same way in Dynatrace also this is a one step or two step commands. Just you need to log into the servers and just if you don't have that much knowledge on Ubuntu that the Unix servers also, you can pretty much you can able to do that because not required much troubleshooting and much configuration. System CTL start Datadog hyphen agent. Okay, just will check. Now we'll check the status. Okay, this is the command. Okay, yes. Yeah. Now you'll check. So agent status, you can see here active, right? So now we'll check in infrastructure list in the host map. Yeah, infrastructure list anywhere you can go. Okay, you can see. So it will take time to reflect. Okay, earlier I was a bit scared why it's not reflecting. So it will take hardly 10 to 15 seconds to reflect in Datadog portal. That depends on the infrastructure list. Not coming here. It will take. Okay. No, you can see, right? So here this will be that instance ID. You can say if I'll go here, this will be instance ID, right? So same instance ID will be captured over here. So okay, so make sure that you can add the host names. If I'll go inside that, so host matrix is going to the no. I want to modify the host names. Think I am not getting option. No, I'm not getting the option to do that. So based on the instance ID, you should remember, and you can mark as a something favorite. Yeah, you can do it. So these are the two lists you can see here: infrastructure, and if I'll go to infrastructure list, so it will be here. So we have a two Datadog agents, all this up running. So it will show us up. So it's very straightforward to install the Datadog agents on any servers. So filter by you can name, tag, yeah, app. So you can define that host tags or something. I'll let you know how to create a tags, all those things in the discussion. So this is so for to start off with Datadog. What you can do is you can create a Datadog trial account. that is the 14 days trials. Okay, and then once it is trial account is created, they'll ask you to install the agents. So to install the agents, what you can do is you can create a AWS account, yeah, Azure, yeah, GCP, anywhere which is familiar for you. And you can have account here, yeah, you can create an account and you can spin up a 2 3 VMs over there. You can install the agents. Okay, once the agent is installed, you can able to see over here under the infrastructure list. You can see under the infrastructure host map also. Okay, your list of agents is running. Okay, so now it will be so as a two. Okay, so it will show as a like this. Okay, so you can see over here. Okay, now you can see we have a two host infrastructure. We have a two host. Okay, so you can see under the infrastructure host map, the infrastructure list, you can see that. Later on also how to install that container level. You can see if there's any process are running inside that infrastructure host, it will capture also here. Now you get started. No. So process is not capturing automatically. We need to configure for that. So next class we'll try to do that. Okay. So this class agenda for this class today is just how to spin up a VM on AWS, yeah, and how to install the DD agents. Okay, on their host. Okay, that's it. Thank you guys. I'll catch you in this class.